Hello everyone. Today's topic is BODMAS rule and use of brackets. So let's see how to use BODMAS rule and then sequence or order of brackets. So first is order of operation for BODMAS rule. First of all B for brackets, so we have to solve brackets. Then O of or multiplication. Then D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition, and then S for subtraction. So this is the order as per BODMAS rule. Now for brackets, order of brackets are first bar bracket, bar or vinculum, second parenthesis or we can say small bracket, third braces or curly bracket, then fourth big bracket or square bracket. So for simplification, we have BODMAS rule and order of brackets which we have to follow. Now we will solve exercise 5.9. First question, find the values of 48 plus 16 divided by 9. 48 plus 16 divided by 8. 48 plus 16 divided by 8. So in this problem, plus and divide, addition and division, these are two operations. Now we have to check as per BODMAS rule what comes first. So BODMAS, D stands for division, A for addition. It means we'll divide first. So 48, this is plus 16 divided by 8. So 16 by 8 is 2 and the answer is 50. Next, one part B, 50 minus 45. 50 minus 45 divided by 9. Again we have subtraction and division. And as per BODMAS rule, division comes first. So we'll divide first. 50 minus 45 by 9 is 5. So 50 minus 5 is 45. And 45 is the answer. Then C, answer 1, part C. Part C is 18 minus in bracket. And which type of bracket is this? Small bracket. So 18 minus under small bracket 6 into 2. It's not 16. 6 into 2 and plus 4. Yes, plus 4. Plus 4. So now in this problem 18 minus in bracket 6 into 2 plus 4. So first of all, as per BODMAS rule, we have bracket, so we'll solve this bracket first. So in the next step, 18 minus 6 into 2, inside the bracket we'll multiply, but we have to solve this bracket first. So 6 into 2 is 12 plus 4. Now subtraction and addition. So addition comes first. 18 minus 12 plus 4. So 12 plus 4, it means again we have minus 12 and plus 4. So minus 12 plus 4, or we can say 12 with negative sign, 4 with positive sign. It means minus 8 is the addition of these two integers. Now 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10 is the answer. Next part D. One part D. 48 divided by 7 plus 9. 48 divided by 7 plus 9. Again we have a bracket and division. So bracket comes first. So we'll solve bracket first. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16, and in the next step 48 divided by 16 is 3. So 3 is our final answer. Next, 140. 4 plus 4 plus curly bracket 16 minus 3, then 15 minus 12 minus 4, curly bracket closed. So in this statement we have addition, subtraction, 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 and two types of brackets with multiplication or for multiplication. So what to do? First of all, we'll solve this bracket as per order. We have small bracket, so we'll solve small bracket, then curly bracket, then other things. So 16 minus 3, 15 minus 12 is also 3, minus 4, curly bracket closed. Then 4 plus curly bracket 16 minus 3 into 3 is 9, minus 4. Again we have two subtraction and addition. So subtraction inside the curly bracket, it means we'll solve this part first. So 4 plus 16 minus 9 and 9 minus 4. So the value is 3. So 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 is 7, 7 minus 4, 3. So 4 plus 3, in the last step, 4 plus 3 means 7 is the final answer. Now next question, 1F, part F, problem statement, 9 plus Okay, so this is the problem statement, and in this problem statement we have a set of small bracket, a curly, and please replace this bracket, square bracket, by curly bracket. Now in problem statement we have two brackets of plus plus, minus minus, and division. So first of all, what to do? First of all, we'll solve this bracket, values inside this bracket. 6 plus 7 of 3 minus 9. Okay, so inside this bracket again we have 1, 2, 3, 3 different types of operations. So first of all, 6 divided by 2. Division comes first, so 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3, bracket closed with curly. Now again 9 plus 6 plus 7 of 3 as it is, minus 9 plus 2 minus 3, so 9 plus 2 11, minus 3. Again addition before subtraction, so addition first. Again 9 plus curly bracket 6 plus 7 of 3 minus 11 minus 3, so 11 minus 3 means 8, 8, curly bracket closed. Now after bracket, after first bracket, again we have curly bracket, and in this curly bracket we have plus, minus, and off. So off comes first. It means now the sequence or order is 6 plus 7 of 3. So 7 of 3 means 7 into 3, 21, minus 8. Again in the next step, 9 plus, inside the curly bracket, plus, minus, addition, subtraction. So we'll add first. 21 plus 6, 27, minus 8. In the next step, 9 plus 27 minus 8, 19. And and 19 plus 9. 19 plus 9 is the final answer, 28. 28 is my final answer. Then part G, again it's a very long statement. Okay, 10 minus bracket, big bracket, 8 minus 9 plus curly bracket, 2 of 5 minus small bracket, 6 plus 8 into 1 by 4 minus 7 plus 5, all bracket closed. So first of all, we have to solve this bracket or operations inside this bracket. So we'll write 10 minus 8 minus 9 plus curly bracket 2 of 5 minus, now 6 plus 8 into this much minus and plus. So multiplication. So first of all, we'll operate this 6 plus 8 into 1 by 4 or 8 by 4 is 2. 8 into 1 by 4 or 8 by 4 is 2. Minus 7 plus 5, like this. Now in the next step, again 8 minus 9 plus 2 of 5 minus 6 plus. So 6 plus 2, 8 minus. Okay, so we can also change the place of 5 like this, because minus 7 plus 5 looks odd. So this is the next line, 8 minus 9 plus 2 of 5 minus, now 8 plus 5, 13 minus 7, like this. Again in the next step, 10 minus 8 minus 9 plus 2 of 5 minus 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Right. Now in the next step, 10 minus. Now we have curly bracket. So 8 minus 9 plus 2 of 5 means 10 minus 6. Again 10 minus 8 minus 9 plus 10 minus 6 is 4. And in the next step, 10 minus 9 plus 4. So 10 minus 8 plus 4 minus 9 we can write, just changing the place. So 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 minus 9. So okay, 10 minus, again 8 plus 4, say we are solving this part first. So 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 9. Again in the next step, 10 minus 12 minus 9 is 3. 10 minus 12 minus 9 is 3 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 is the final answer. Next, part H of first question. Minus 10 in small bracket plus minus 9 again in small bracket divided by 3 minus square bracket under square bracket, minus 10 in small bracket multiplied by minus 2 again in small bracket, then minus curly bracket 2 minus 6 minus 8 and bracket closed. So in this question, first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, many brackets. So okay, in this question we will start from this part. So we will solve these brackets and these two brackets, then we'll come to minus 10 and minus 9. So minus 9 divided by 3 minus inside the bracket. So minus 10 into minus 2. Minus 10 into minus 2. Again, in bracket. So first we have to solve brackets, but along with bracket we have a multiplication sign. So I think we should go for this. Minus 10 into minus 2. So 10 into 2, 20. Minus minus plus. So plus 20. Minus, under curly bracket, 2 minus 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Right. Again in the next step, minus 10 plus minus 9 divided by 3 minus plus 20 as it is minus, we'll solve curly bracket first. So 2 minus minus 2 becomes minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 is 4 now. Okay, it's not second side or second part of this bracket. Okay, so plus 20 minus 4. Right. The next step, minus 10 plus minus 9 divided by 3 minus 20. 20 minus 4. So we are solving this bracket. It's not like we are not taking these bracket first, but we are solving this bracket, things under this bracket. So plus 20 minus 4 plus 16. Now we have 3 brackets. So first bracket, then addition, then second bracket with division, and third bracket. So minus 10 plus minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3 minus plus 16. So minus 10 plus minus minus 3 and plus minus minus 16. Again we have all the 3 negative or subtraction. So 10 and 3, 13, 13 and 16, 29. All negative means minus 29. Minus 29 is the answer. The next part, I. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Now again in this statement we have many operations. So from where to start? We'll start from bar bracket inside curly. So bar inside curly, we should solve first. 16 minus 5 multiplied, direct bracket means multiplication. So 6 minus 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 means 6. So we'll write 6 and then divided by 4. 8 plus minus 2 into minus 3, like this. Now 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 becomes 0, or we can write 0 into minus 5. It's also 0. So the next step, 16 minus 5. So we'll solve according to the sequence, divided by 4, and inside the bracket 8 plus 2 into 3 6 minus plus, so 8 plus 6. Again 16 minus 5 multiplied by 0, and division means this divided by 4, and 8 plus 6, 14. In the next step, 16 minus 5 into 0, 0 divided by 14 into 4, but ultimately this becomes 0. So 16 is the final answer, right? And in this step only, you know that the multiplication is 0. So multiplication 0 and division again 0. So ultimately the answer is 16. Next, part J. Part J. 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9. Okay, so 16 minus 9 into 10 plus 2 plus 6 minus 1 in bar bracket. So first, I think we should solve for bar bracket. 16 minus 9 into 10 plus curly bracket 2 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 and bracket closed. In the next step, 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 small bracket, so 16 minus 9 is 7, then multiplied by 10 plus inside the bracket 2 plus 5, so okay, we'll write 2 plus 5 as it is, and then in the next step 7 into 10 plus 5 plus 2, 7, like this, and 7 into inside this bracket 10 plus 7 is 17, so 7 into 17, 7 in the small bracket, 17 in square bracket, so we have to multiply 7 by 17, 7 7s are 49 and 7, so 119 is the final answer. Now second question, using brackets write the mathematical expression of each of the following. So now we have to write mathematical expression for these statements. So first statement, answer 2, part A or part 1, 15 added to the difference of 9 and 6, 15 added to the difference of 9 and 6, 9 and 6, 15 added to the difference of 9 and 6, or we can also write 9 minus 6 plus 15, 15 added to the difference of 9 and 6. Similarly, second part, 6 multiplied by the sum of 5 and 3, 6 multiplied by the sum of 5 and 3, 6 into in bracket 5 and 3, or again 5 and 3, sum of 5 and 3 multiplied by 6. So 6 multiplied by 5, sum of 5 and 3 means this or this, both are same. Answer number 2, part 3, 42 divided by the difference, 42 divided by the difference of 9 and 2. So 42 divided by the difference of 9 and 2. Next, part 4, 56 divided by 2, 56 divided by 2 more than the sum of 5 and 7, 5 and 7. So 5 and 7, sum of 5 and 7, and 2 more than the sum of 5 and 7. It means again we have to add them like this. Now the statement is correct, or mathematical expression is correct as per statement. 56 divided by 2 more than 2 plus the sum of 5 and 7, or we can also write 56 divided by 5 plus 7 plus 2. Right. Then part 5th, 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 less than the difference of 21 and 16. 21 and 16. So difference of 21 and 16, this, and 2 less than this, and 5 multiplied by this. So the statement is 5 multiplied by 2 less than the difference. 5 multiplied by 2 less than the difference of 21 and 16. Right. And next, part 6. 15 subtracted from the product of 8 and 5. So from the product of 8 and 5, we have to subtract 15. So 15 subtracted from the product of 8 and 5. So this is all from my side in this exercise. Please solve every problem of this exercise in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, any problem in this exercise or in any of the exercise of Maths Class 6, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.